The Serbian armed forces are actively enhancing their combat readiness ahead of a new peacekeeping mission in Lebanon under the auspices of the United Nations. A central phase of this preparation involves training personnel from the 1st Army Brigade in the tactical use of modern Miloš armored vehicles. These exercises are conducted at the strategically significant South Base and are aimed at replacing the outdated VPBM-86 vehicles previously used in peacekeeping operations. The training program includes comprehensive exercises that combine theoretical knowledge with practical skills. Military personnel are learning tactical maneuvers, the nuances of operating armored vehicles in challenging terrain, and the effective use of onboard weapon systems. This preparation will enable soldiers to confidently carry out tasks within UNIFIL, operating in unstable environments. The Miloš armored vehicle boasts high maneuverability, an advanced protection system against ballistic threats and mines, and is equipped with cutting-edge combat modules. These features make it an invaluable asset in peacekeeping missions, including patrolling, reconnaissance, and supporting special units. In Lebanon, the vehicle will play a crucial role in ensuring the security of UN forces and the local population. Following individual training, soldiers will move on to the next phase, team exercises designed to enhance unit coordination. The primary focus will be on standard UN operational procedures, improving cooperation with allies, and rehearsing response scenarios for critical situations. Serbia's participation in international peacekeeping missions underscores its commitment to global peace and stability. This not only affirms the professionalism of its armed forces but also strengthens international cooperation, creating favorable conditions for further developing the country's military capabilities. By continuously improving personnel training, the Serbian army is enhancing collaboration with global partners and increasing its operational readiness. The top priority remains achieving maximum combat effectiveness and efficiency in complex peacekeeping operations.